Greetings everyone, this is Hong Long from Hong Long Wuxia. Welcome to another episode of Kung Fu Basics. This is Kung Fu Basics number 4. And today we will continue on from where we left off the last time, not yesterday. All right, before we get started today, make sure you hit the like button down below. Subscribe and hit the bell for notifications if you haven't already. And once you get done watching the video, make sure you share it to all of your social media sites, email it to your friends, families, coworkers, people you haven't talked to for 20 years, and whoever else you can think of. As you can see, my studio space is presently occupied with other things, so we're gonna have to continue this outside. I think we incorporated 4 techniques. We did the hip kick, side thrust, bird beak, and strike while blocking the temple. So from here, we're going to turn, elbow, block up, strike, grab, antis kick, step into horse stance. As we pivot, we're going to elbow, then we're going to step up into a crane, and strike out with the side hand, and we're going to cross step back, block up, peek up, sinking into a horse stance, and peeking down. So from where we left off the last time, elbow, lock up, strike, grab, mantis kick, horse stance, hit, elbow, crane, double strike out, cross step back, block up, beak up, beak down as we sink into horse. So from here, elbow, strike, strike, elbow, strike, block, strike, strike. Here, elbow, strike, grab, band. Here. I'll do it from the beginning to the end, and we'll do it from a couple of different angles. So we've already done this one, so let's slide over 90 degrees and strike. One more time from that angle. From the reverse end. One more time. I'm wondering if I can be seen. I hope so. I don't have to do this again. Alright, we'll do it twice from this angle. So from here, strike, kick, strike, so from here, side thrust, elbow, strike, Hong Wuxia, and that is all for today. So last time we learned how to put 4 techniques together, and this time we've almost doubled that number with adding 7 more to it. So we've got so far a short form consisting of 11 techniques. Next time we'll add a few more to that, and voila, you will have your first Kung Fu form, or you will have learned your first Kung Fu form. So stay tuned for that, and until next time, make sure you keep practicing.